Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very easy and fast growing lace pattern titled Little Bows, and this is worked in short rows. We begin with 12 chains and work forward and backwards and repeating rows 2 and 3 instructions to grow the pattern. This particular small sample I made with Hobby Store Aran Premium Acrylic Dark Rose Color, which is anti-pill and a 5-ply yarn, and I use my 5 clover crochet hook. Let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 12, so I make 12 chains. Make 4 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 doubles in this 4th chain. Now chain 3. Skip the next 3 chains. Make 4 DCs in the following chain, the 4th chain from this place. From the last stitch where we made 4 chains, 4 DCs. Oh God, sorry. Chain 3. Make a double crochet in the very last chain. I'm trying to take up both the loops. Now turn. Chain 6, it counts as 1 double crochet and 3 chains. Skip the next chain 3 space, 4 DC in the first DC of the next 4 DC group. Chain 3, skip the next 3 DCs and the chain 3 space and 4 DCs in the very first DC of the next 4 DC group. Turn, chain 3, 4 DC in the very first DC of the group. Chain 3, 4 double crochets in the first DC of the next 4 DC group. Chain 3, 1 double crochet in the third chain of the 6 chains that we did here. So repeat rows 2 and 3 to the desired length. Again, as we mentioned earlier, this is worked in short rows. So again, chain 6 for row 2, we need to turn and chain 6. And 4 double crochets in the very first double crochet. So I shall make one more repeat. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 chain and the DCs, and for 4 double crochets in the very first double crochet of next 4 DC group. So turn, chain 3, 4 double crochets in the very first double crochet, chain 3. This is actually repetition of row. We completed row 2, row 3 instructions. We are working on the row 3 instructions now. Chain 3 and double crochet the third chain of the 6th chain, 1, 2 and 3 here. So this is how the lace will develop into. So continue to repeat rows 2 and 3 to the desired length. And I shall also make a few more repeats and get back. Completed a few more repeats of instructions for rows 2 and 3, and this is how this lace develops into, or the trim develops into, and this can be worked to any length that we require because we are working in short rows. So to the design, we need not fix the length and start working. We can start the work and progressively work to the length required. And this, since it looks like little bows, it's titled as little bows. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you enjoyed this small effort of ours. This is in the easy level. Last first 8 days of 8 patterns, it was on the experienced and the intermediate level, and the last 2 days the laces are in the easy level. If you happen to be the first time viewer of our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you friends. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.